The first step is to spray the treatment liquid. Put the fabric on table neatly. Start the sprinkler. The second step is put the fabric on layer rack. Stay for about 20 minutes. Step 3 is pressing the fabric. Pressing temperature is 160 degrees. Pressing for 8 seconds is 150 degrees. Step 4. Printing test line. Determine the print height data diagram. Step 5 is to lay the fabric flat. 6th step, printing on the DTG printer. We found the file. Find the folder where the RIP-ready images are placed. Double-click. If you want to select this text to print multiple copies, enter the corresponding numbers of required prints. Car moves to left, to the middle of workstation. First, visually inspect. Determine if the fabric will touch the card. Prepare a 3 mm thin steel ruler. Push the trolley to the right side. Based on the thickness of the fabric and the height of the print head, here you can set the height of the card. Reset the trolley. After confirming the height, click to print after the fabric is laid flat. Is reinforcement color. The first method is to fix the color with a press machine. (160 degrees) for 60 seconds. The second method is oven fixation. Place the plated fabric on the layer rack. Push into oven. Set the temperature and time. Click Start. The third method is to fix the color in the internal thickness and spray the fabric flat. Temperature 170 degrees for 3 minutes.